Did you call me? Yes, I called you. Can you help me today? Sure, what can I do for you? Can you take me to school? Okay, I can pick you up at 10. Great, see you then. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Anna. Do you talk to her every day? Yes, I see her at school. I always meet her for lunch. Oh, why do you like her? She is nice and funny. She makes me laugh. Who is your teacher? My teacher is Mr. David. I like him a lot. Why do you like him? Well, he is nice and he always helps me with my homework. He sounds nice. He is. We all love him. Do you have my keys? No, I put them on the table. Oh, great. I see them. What about my wallet? I think you set it on the counter. Really? I don't see it. Well, I will help you. One of us will find it.